Hey guys, this is Sean Frith, and today we're here to talk about quality of construction and some of the real enhancements that SF Communities has made to build better quality houses for the greatest value. Some of the things that no one ever talks about is the products that you use in the house. We have gone to a lot of new products and really tried to improve the quality of our construction. And so one of the things, and that's why we're here today, is you notice that we've got this wonderful green wall and green panels on the outside of our house. And I know most of our customers and most of the public just drive by and go, wow, look at that greenhouse. But these are really energy efficient and energy saving products that we're using, and they're actually great stuff. The Huber family also makes Advantech flooring, which we'll talk about in a second, but is the best flooring that you can possibly get. But this zip system is basically designed a couple of things. It's the new wave of building houses, and what you get is a structural board, okay, that like an OSB board, but you're getting a board that you're taping all the seams. So if you'll notice, we've taped all the seams on all the boards, which basically stops the infiltration of air and the loss of your R value, which is the temperature or heat value. Okay, so it's doing a couple of things. It's still giving you the structural value. It's not allowing heat to go back in and out like it would, you know, in an OSB house. You're taping the seams, and it's actually got some of the components in the material that are actually help to save, you know, energy from going in and out. And if you go to Zip System walls, they actually have a roofing system as well. You can get all the stuff, and we're going to have it on our website. We've done some national studies, and not all the studies are out, but they're saying that probably we're almost a 30% more efficient than the way we were doing it before. So this is a big step for SF Communities. But not only that, but we're doing a lot of things as it relates to that energy side of the business. You can't see it up here now, and of course we'll shoot other videos, but we'll showcase on our website that we're using Norboard. It's a radiant barrier called Solar Board, and we're putting that on all of our homes now too. And again, these are awesome energy efficient products, and this radiant barrier does a lot of things. You know, first of all, it gives you a 30-degree difference between a summer day, like today it's starting to heat up, so in your attic will be generally 30 degrees different than what the outside temperature is. And we are a company that has a lot of what they call frogs, which is finished rooms over garages, and it really helps insulate those rooms that have unconditioned airspace on an other side of a knee wall. So that radiant barrier sitting on the top of there helps us with some of the new insulation laws and the new codes on there, really, you know, keep that space better conditioned for hot and cold and so on and so forth. Some other things that we're working on, as I said before, is we've got all Advantech flooring. You know, once upon a time, a lot of the warranty that we had was squeaks in floors, and what's happening is, even though you're generally going to get some squeaks in floors, is you're finding that with that Advantech, it's a little bit thicker board, it's denser, and it is the best floor decking product made in home building, and it's got a 180-day no sand guarantee, which means you could build your house and not put the windows or not have it totally dried in and leave it for 6 months, and you wouldn't have to sand those floors. It's just an awesome product, and we're happy to have it in our house. And that's why we decided to take the step with the Zip System, because it's a relatively new product, and we just believe so much in Hubert and the quality of their product. They're really the Mercedes of products. And this is a lot of stuff that SF Communities doesn't talk about, but we're really getting out there. We're getting it on our billboards to showcase it. We're really changing a lot of things, like now on our slabs on every house that we do, we have a proxy done on the dirt to make sure that we've got 95% compaction before we start digging our footings and putting our slabs on there to guarantee less settling. We've raised majority of our slabs to help us control the water and be able to, you know, have nice swells around the yard. Our brick ledges are looking a lot cleaner. We're getting them, you know, just all in. We're just doing a better job to get the quality of construction there. We're doing some different colors. We're offering some things that are more cosmetic to some of the home buyers, but they really have a quality sensation, and people look at it and say, wow. Some other things that we've really worked on is, you know, code used to require that you could have floor systems 24 on center. We've increased that in a lot of our communities. As we get into some of the tile flooring and some of the hardwoods and the second floor and stuff, we've moved all of our floor systems to 19.2 on center. which is giving you a much sturdier floor. Then going to the Advantech is, the combination of those two is really helping to make a solid ground, less squeaks, less movement in the floors, and so on and so forth. We've gone after, all kinds of measures as it relates to quality control in terms of a QC report or quality report. We're going through a 400-step process to make sure that we're giving you a certified home, that we're checking the things that can cause problems, window leaks and stuff. And you'll notice the wrap that goes around the windows. This is actually a special zip system wrap, and it's actually a more intense tape, and it's designed to really stick to the walls. And so as you wrap, these windows, you really get a window that's not going to leak. And these are all extremely important things to us because it allows us to have less warranty and have a better product, and that's what we're all after today. And we want to continue to make moves to build better quality products at the greatest value we can. And still, with SF Communities, we want all the excitement of having the 1,000-square-foot master bedrooms and the dual staircases and the closets the size of bedrooms and all the things that SF Community gives you. But it's all in vain if you don't have a quality house, and that perception of quality is very important to us, and that's why we're going to all these lengths and bounds to really, put better products in our houses, improve certain things so that we truly have a better quality house and we truly continue to make, strides on quality and performance and things of that nature. So thank you guys so much for listening, and we're going to continue to update our website as we have these things available to you. And we'll have the hyperlinks to the website so you can get information on the warranties and the length of the warranties on these products. Thank you so much.